7 fireplaces and views that you've never seen before. I'm excited to show you this unbelievable estate here, Bella Paradiso. Come on in. So we're standing here in the main entrance. Here you have 20,000 square feet. When you walk into the front entry, your eye naturally goes to the beautiful views and all the millwork and woodworking all throughout the home. But one of my favorite features is this piece of art, in my true opinion. This was made over in Italy. And the neat thing about it is that they actually cut a hole in the floor, and you can actually look down into the main ballroom down there. So it's kind of a fun piece, which I've never seen ever before. Off the main entry, you have the living areas. You have fireplace. We have a TV that drops down from the ceiling, just to really make the home feel like a piece of art. In the kitchen, you have your double islands. We have a butler pantry as well, so you can have prep if you guys are having parties. You got the views. The views are absolutely stunning from here, staring at Camelback Mountain, just really taking in the whole house. So as we go upstairs, you have beautiful staircases you're coming through. Another fun feature of the home, we actually have an elevator. It goes from the main level upstairs to the secondary bedrooms, and then also downstairs to your own private ballroom. But up here we have 3 bedrooms. They're all suites. They're all really large and generous sized rooms with great views. And we have a teen room or a separate hangout room up here that allows the kids or your guests to have space where they can sit and entertain or relax. And everything, as you know, opens up to the beautiful Camelback and downtown Phoenix views. One of the things I love about this part of the home is his office. The whole room is paneled with moldings and cabinetry. As you look out, you're staring right there at the mountain. It gives you inspiration, and this is your view. Every single day you wake up to this. Beautiful sunsets, beautiful sunrises. The sun is always on the backyard and the pool, so when you're out there having fun, you're truly soaking up the sun. Off your living room and your family room and your kitchen, your master, it all opens up to this beautiful patio that runs the entire length of the home. Imagine waking up to this every single day. Don't be telling everyone out there, but we actually have a secret entrance down into the ballroom. So just in case you want to escape, if you're having a party or anything like that, you can get out of the party real fast. We'll check it out in a little bit. Off the main living room, for entertaining, you have this beautiful bar. And it's just very simple and elegant. You got a pool table here, you got the full bar, and it opens up outside to the courtyard with a marble fireplace, and it just makes it a really intimate space if you're entertaining and you have a couple friends over, versus going down to your own ballroom. So off the main floor of your home, you have your private master retreat. And it's set further off to the side with beautiful double doors as you're walking in, but just absolutely stunning and timeless. And every morning, these owners get to enjoy waking up to Camelback Mountain, and they watch the beautiful sunsets of downtown Phoenix. So absolutely stunning. You have an amazing marble fireplace. You have a hidden TV behind the mirror. You have 2 doors that walk out to your patio with an exterior fireplace right off the master suite. Throughout the home, we have a smart home system, which really allows you to control the home anywhere you are around the world. And we have automated blinds here in the master. You have your lighting, your electronics, your security, and it's all done by the convenience of your own iPhone or computer. Off the master suite, we have a beautiful sitting room for the owners to kind of relax and enjoy and escape, stare out onto your backyard, overlooking your pool, and of course, Camelback Mountain. So here you are in your master bathroom. It's truly built and complements this home with all the timeless detail that she did throughout the home, from your separate tub. It's a jetted tub. You have 2 separate vanities for his and her size, 2 separate water closets. You have a morning bar here, so you want to just roll out of bed and make yourself a coffee or grab a bottle of water. It's right here for your convenience. The shower is absolutely built for a king, and it's just has every sprayer, every feature. We actually have music that's piped into the shower. So just absolutely stunning with marble all throughout. You have a separate washer and dryer here. One of 4 areas for washer and dryers. And then up on the main level, we have 2 separate closets. The owner uses this as her weekly closet, and then she has her main closet downstairs, which you are gonna be blown away by. On this side, it's his side of the bath area, and we have a separate closet up here for him as well. But just another space that's unique for the owners to kind of separately get ready, but also be all together in the same part of the home. So now come downstairs into the owner's mini boutique. And it is truly set up like a boutique in the sense that she has everything displayed out as if you're walking into your favorite department store or boutique. And then all the clothes is categorized by seasons and everything. So it's all tucked away in behind. And then off of her closet, she actually built a little private workout studio for herself that opens up to the backyard. So as you're walking down this classic staircase, you enter into this ballroom space. This space was actually built to hold up to 200 guests, or it actually could fit up to 20 cars. It's wired for a movie theater already. You could do a bowling alley down here. They actually built the house so that you can take cars from your garage and do a car elevator down into this space and basically give your automobile collection or your car collection the absolute stunning showcase to set it up here. And we actually have another bedroom down here as well. It's a separate studio suite. So if you remember one of my favorite parts of the home where that beautiful table was made over there in Italy, if you look up, you're looking right back up into the main part of the house, which is just kind of fun. And when you're really having an event down here, it truly comes to life to see people walking around downstairs and you're checking out, making sure that it's a full house. So down in this ballroom, we actually have 2 separate bar areas. We have this beautiful tucked away bar that focuses on their wine collection. You have this fully stocked wine cellar down here. And then on the other side of the ballroom, we have another bar. So here we are at the main bar for the ballroom. And it's really unique in the sense that this section of the ballroom was really designed to be maybe a secondary guest house down here. So you actually have your own separate bathrooms down here. You have space for a family room and for a bedroom. And you can really do whatever you want with this space. But I love how functional it is, and you can just make it your own and put your own personal touches on it. So that staircase is the secret exit up into the main home. This space was actually designed for a movie theater. So everything's all wired and all set to go. They've set it up more for a prep area, but you can have your own movie theater down here, and then your elevator comes straight down into the ballroom space. And then you enter into your studio suite. This is kind of designed after a studio that you would see maybe in New York City. And so the designer actually is world-renowned, and she travels from the East Coast to the West Coast and does a ton of stuff in New York. So we kind of put a New York flair on this little apartment downstairs. And it's a nice, great space if you have multiple generations living with you, or a house manager, or somebody looking after it, or if you just have your guests come in, they want to have a little bit of separation. You have a full kitchen down here. You have a complete master bathroom with a separate tub and shower, and then a walkout out into the pool area. So as we're exiting the ballroom, they have this amazing opening where the doors just completely open up. And as you walk out here, you just get captured by the beautiful pool area and the fountains and the separate lawns and everything just overlooking the complete valley. So what's incredibly unique to this property is we're on a hillside. Hillside's the only place where you can get these views. But most hillside homes that I have will only have a small patio or a pool off of it. This estate's completely taken advantage of taking all this outdoor space and giving you a backyard, which you typically see on a flat lot with no views. Now you have space to entertain, to host events, to play with your kids or hang out with your friends, play games out here. It still have captured the absolute beauty of the mountains. So here we're sitting at a little private patio that has the spa. So it's really unique in the sense that you can have people down at the pool, but also still have a private conversation up here at the spa. It's really convenient for anyone staying in the home. I love their dining room space. You know, instead of doing your formal long table and everything like that, they kind of broke it up with some sofas and some chairs. They have 2 separate dining areas. So if you have a smaller intimate party, you guys can get together. You don't feel like you're sitting so far apart. But then if you're having a larger dinner party, you can have multiple conversations going on. And I love how it just opens up and it really takes advantage of the true beauty of the mountain and how it really captures and how this home was built into the mountain, which is a lot of fun. Well, that's the home. I hope you guys truly enjoyed it. And if you have any questions or want to see anything more, just give me a call. Take care. Have a good night.